This is a story about a Victorian Terrace Cottage near Hampton Court in Surrey. Now, Victorian Terrace cottages are pretty small, so we really don't have that much space to play with. So generally you tend to go for plain walls because you think it makes it look a bit brighter and bigger. But I really wanted a feature wall, and I looked around for wallpaper that would suit, and none of it I found very exciting. So I remembered that we'd had a lovely holiday in Canada and that we'd found some really nice pictures, but I didn't have one big enough. So my photographer friend gave me access to his. Look at that. And now on our wall in our Victorian Terrace Cottage in Thames Ditton, we have a little bit of British Columbia. So I'm trying to pull back so that you can see better, but our house is so tiny, it's not easy to see. But what you can see is you can lie on the sofa and you can look up and you're in British Columbia. Wallsauce were absolutely brilliant in helping us get the sizing right, but I'm so happy with my new wall mural.